Hello everyone! Today I'm back with a video tutorial on how to crochet a simple starfish. It's a little chubby, but very simple and cute. Hope you enjoy it. Now let's get started. We use blue yarn and make a magic ring. Then we chain 3. Here we got 3 chains. Now I will use a marker to mark the 3rd chain. Then we make 2 double crochets in the magic ring. And chain 1. Next, we will repeat the pattern a total of 4 times. Now, we do the first iteration. We do 3 double crochets in the magic ring. And chain 1. We have completed the first iteration. We continue with the second iteration. We make 3 double crochets in the magic ring. Then chain 1. We have completed the second iteration. We continue with the third iteration. Finally, we do the 4th iteration. We have completed 4 iterations. We will pull the yarn to close the magic ring. Then we do 1 slip stitch into this marked 3rd chain. In round 2, we will insert the hook into the bottom of the chain stitch. To avoid confusion, we can mark the bottom of the chain stitches. I will use 5 markers. If you don't have many markers, you can use small pieces of yarn to mark. You can do the same as I do on the screen. Now, we will do round 2. In this round, we need to repeat one pattern a total of 5 times, corresponding to 5 starfish arms. We will do the first repetition. We chain 5. So that's 5 chains. Then we find the second chain from the hook and make 1 single crochet in this chain. In the next chain, we do 1/2 double crochet. In the last 2 chains, we do 1 double crochet in each chain. So that's 2 double crochets. Next, we make 1 slip stitch into the bottom of the chain. So we have completed the first iteration. We continue with the second iteration. We chain 5. Now we make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then we do 1/2 double crochet in the next chain. And in the last 2 chains, we make 1 double crochet in each chain. Here we got 2 double crochets. We continue to do 1 slip stitch into the bottom of the chain. Here we have completed the second iteration. Next, we will repeat this pattern 3 more times. We have completed 5 iterations. Then we chain 1 and cut yarn. Here we can this tail of the magic ring. We have finished 1 piece. We need to crochet 2 pieces. Now, we'll crochet a border around these 2 pieces. We'll place the wrong sides inward and the right sides outward. Now, I'll insert the hook into this stitch. This is where I crocheted the second double crochet of the starfish's first arm. We insert the stitch of both pieces, then pull the white yarn through. And chain 1. On the starfish's first arm, on the first side I have 4 stitches, and on the second side I have 4 stitches. We're at the first stitch of the first side. Now, in the 4 stitches, we'll crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. So that's 4 single crochets. We chain 1. Now in the top of the arm, we do 1 single crochet. Then chain 1. Next, in the 4 stitches of the second side, we do 1 single crochet in each stitch. So that's 4 single crochets. Next, in round 2, we have a slip stitch here. Now I will do a single crochet stitch into this stitch. This is also the pattern for round 3. We have just completed the first iteration. We need to repeat this pattern 4 more times. Now I will continue with the second iteration. In the 4 stitches of the first side, we do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here we got 4 single crochets. Next we chain 1. Then in the top of this arm, we do 1 single crochet. And chain 1. Then in the 4 stitches of the second side, we make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So that's 4 single crochets. I will do 1 single crochet stitch into the slip stitch of round 2. We have completed the second repetition. Next, we need to repeat this pattern 3 more times. I'll see you again after the final iteration is complete. We have completed the last iteration. Here we can pull all the tails inward and cut them off. Now we make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. We chain 1 and cut yarn. We use yarn needle to hide the tail. Finally, we just need to attach the keychain. So I have finished the starfish.